What's up, y'all? Okay, so basically, put a pillow behind my back. I know my voice is going out a little bit. That's because I don't know. It's been a long week. My classroom is closed because of COVID, and then so I've been to work 2 days. Today, Tuesday. I know I've been out of this vlog, but this is just real life, raw. That's what I told y'all it was gonna be. But today my last day going to work. I mean, I'm gonna do cheer stuff before they go on break, but like school wise, I know I look rough, y'all. It's just, anyways, I came over here to show y'all my phone because my phone came in the mail. I don't know if I told y'all, but I had ordered the iPhone 13 Pro Max and like Thanksgiving, and it was just like this real long, drawn out thing. So mini story time. So basically, I ordered my phone around Thanksgiving, and then I remember if I told you about the nail shop thing and the fraud on my card and big rah. Anyway, so I had to like cancel one of my cards. So the card that I ended up ordering my phone with before there was fraud on it, it got canceled, and obviously they like put an authorization hold on your card, but they don't really like charge you until they ship. So they canceled my order because obviously the payment didn't go through because the card was no longer working anymore because it was just gone, like it was cut off. So long story short, this is a big rubber thing. I was on the phone with T-Mobile for like 5 days straight. They couldn't figure it out. They're trying to charge me more for a phone than it was supposed to be charging me. And when it was like all said and done, I had to get a supervisor to help me out because I was paying only the taxes on these phones, and they wanted me to pay $500. Like I went from paying the taxes, and then the next day, because the order had got canceled, I tried to go back and reorder the phone. They told me, yeah, well, you gonna owe $500. Baby, who? I said, how was that even possible? Because the first time I wasn't owed $500, and I'm just reordering the same exact phone. And later trying to argue me down, talking about something, well, this is what's gonna happen. And I'm like, nah, baby, let me speak to the supervisor because obviously you ain't hearing what I'm trying to say. And this T-Mobile customer is not paying $500. And so she was like, I hate to put you on hold and have you wait all this time just to hear the same answer. Baby, you don't know me. Click. Like, no. Get me to the supervisor. No, baby. No. Anyways, long story short, shout out to Weston at T-Mobile. He said, I'm just gonna click, clack. Bam. Literally was on the phone for like 30 seconds. Boom, got the phone. So, anyways, after long awaited, they had quoted me this phone for like January, y'all. At first, it was saying I was gonna get it like right when I got back home from Thanksgiving because I went to the beach. And then it went from that to my birthday. And after that, it was like the middle of December. Then the 27th of December. Then it was like January 11th. Anyways, it's the 14th and this bad boy here. But I already opened it, so I'm not gonna capture y'all. I'm recording off my old phone for right now. But this is the box that it came in. This ain't gonna be like an unboxing. My nails look ready. I know I need to get them done. But I got the graphite color iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this is the box that it comes in. It comes with the 13 Pro Max, the USB-C, the lightning cable, power adapter, and headphones sold separately. Oh, okay, so then yeah. You know, they don't put the blocks in the boxes no more. But this is what the box looks like. I guess if you got a different color, it might look different, but it's the graphite color. And so, I'm gonna open it up and show y'all. If I can get it though. Freaking open. There's like this little thing on here that you gotta like tear off in order to open the box. But I already tore it, so I don't know. Oh, I didn't tear the other side. So you gotta tear both sides because there's some either in. And then it'll open. Oh my god, this is so annoying because I got nails. Earlier it just slid out because the phone was in there, so it was heavy. But yeah, anyway, so the phone will be on top. Like I said, I already did it. So it was on top like this. Boom. I don't know why I chose this color. Honestly, I didn't get a color because I just feel like my last phone was red, and when I wanted to put a cute case on it, it was just like I can't put a purple case on here if the phone is red because then it looks stupid. You know what I'm saying? Also, I wanted to get like a basic color, and I could have got like gold, but I just wasn't feeling it. I was like, let me just go with sleek black. That's what I usually get. I put it in the box last time, and I'm like, now let me go back to what I know, back to my roots. So yeah, got the graphite. Comes like this. Then it comes with like a little. Can I be exposing myself? I'm just kidding. But it comes with a screen protector sheet over it. Obviously we know, and you peel it. So that was on there. Now I got a screen protector on mine already because baby, before I even opened this, I went to Five Below and got me a case, and I got me a clear case, and I got a screen protector because I already know. And I wanted a privacy screen, but I think I'm gonna order on Amazon. But I already know me, and no baby, we ain't getting ready to be messing up this phone. And like this phone got like the bumpers to where it don't sit flat, so like it's not gonna scratch up my camera. But yeah, this phone got 3 cameras, and I don't know what that little thing is. This phone also has take the case off again. It also got the something for 5G, like this little bar on the side. I don't know if y'all can see it. You see this little bar? So this is the power button. This little bar right here is something for 5G. Supposed to let the 5G signal get in. Then this is what the bottom look like. Same charger as the last few phones, speakers. Then on this side, on my other phone, my SIM card like thing, the place you put the SIM card is on the right side of the phone, now it's on the left. You got the power buttons and then the sound button. So yeah, this phone big. I can't even lie. Like compared to my last phone, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna take the case off this phone because I'm recording on my 11, and I'm gonna show y'all like a comparison of the phones. Hold on. Both phone says it don't got storage, but it's okay because that's just a 64 gigabyte, and this phone is 120, I think. But anyways, into the box. So when you open it, the phone's on top, and then it looks like this. So it's literally just the charger down here. Not it. And then this little card thing. I don't know what this is. It's literally nothing. Like, oh, the little sticker, the little Apple stickers in here. And what else? I ain't never looked at this part of the phone. Like, baby, just give me the phone and that's it. Oh, and then like, I guess the user support guide or whatever. That's what that is. Nobody cares about this stuff. I don't even like who uses the sticker. I mean, I guess you can put it on your laptop or something. But yeah, that's what's in there. So basically, the box then just got emptier and emptier, if you asking me, because it ain't no box in here no more. So that's what makes it slim. Yeah, and the white part don't even come out, so it's really nothing up in this mug. But the inside of the box looks like this. So it got a little part for the phone, but it doesn't come out. So yeah, it's slim. That's how the boxes are able to be slim, which I mean, it's not a bad thing because we can serve in resources, but that's pretty much it. I mean, but it's straight to the point. I ain't mad at them. It's straight to the point. Give me my phone. That's it. But what I will say is these blocks are like $20, I think, or more, $40. I know them the fast charger block, baby, it's expensive. Cause I had to buy a whole new charger. I didn't ran through a bunch of them, but yeah. Anyways, that's my little unboxing for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Y'all want to see it a little bit? This what? Oh, my Face ID. I'm stupid. So when you just slide it up, it's just, I will say that like my background on my last phone was black, but I'm gonna switch the camera view so y'all can see. Like, it's so clear, it's crazy. All right, so this is the case for my 11, and this is the phone for my this is my 13 Pro Max. So you can see that it's bigger. I don't know if you can really tell. I feel like the case is more bulky than the phone, but you can see that it's like, it's obviously bigger than the phone. Okay, so it's just so clear. Like, let me go on my Instagram so y'all can see. Is it focusing? Yeah. So this is what it looked like, and like, you see how clear that is? That is sickening. It's me giving y'all free promo. Hold on, let me go on my page, my own page. Like, y'all see how this is sick? You see how clear these photos are? That is insane. It's like literally watching a HD TV, bro. It is insane to me. Like, it's really crazy. And okay, I'm gonna show y'all someone else. Let me go. This is the Explore page. Like, you see how clear this is? Yeah, before I give you hosts any free promo, let me go to my friend page because y'all got me messed up. Y'all thinking y'all getting free promo. Anyways, so yeah, follow her. This is what the page will look like. So let me just go and scroll. Like, y'all see this? If you don't got good quality on your page, I'm gonna be able to see it. Like, if it's giving blurry, I'm gonna be able to see it. She used to have trash quality, but you know, we got better. No, I'm just kidding. But you see this, you're gonna be like, oh, whatever. But yeah, anyways, you get the point. Like, you see how flawless this looks. I need to get TikTok back on my phone because I had deleted it on my last one. I had too much storage. But anyways, it just looks amazing. And yeah, I mean, I don't really know all the features, so I would have to. I was vlogging out of TikTok for so long. My good TikTok. Ooh, I like her. And I finally was able to get into it. But just see how clear this is. Like, this is crazy to me. It's literally like watching TV. I can't wait to watch.
I know it ain't another bitch in my business. Dirt neck, ugly. Mind your, I don't know, business.
But I can't wait to watch Netflix or some YouTube on here. Anyways, y'all get the gist of it. I will say though, like, and then with the camera, I will say it asks you like what type of camera settings you want, and like this right here gives you different modes: vibrant, rich contrast, standard. See, you see that at the top? How my dad message up there? I got mine set on vibrant because I think that's cute. Like, I like the tones of it. But let me see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't that crazy. Sorry, no. Anyways, but see how there's no X or anything? So then you just literally swipe it down like that, and boom, it's gone. Period. Look at that, right on time. Okay. I kind of freaks with him right now. Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna change my background and stuff, make it real cute. Because I'm basic. But yeah. 10 out of 10 would recommend this phone, y'all. Even though it's my first day, but I already know I love it. Look at me get my fingerprints all over it. But yeah. 10 out of 10 recommend. Period. Go buy this now. With the vlog. Okay, so I decided to start vlogging today. Ooh, my room's dirty, but just don't look at it. But yeah, this is my little fit. Something really chill. I got bleach on my pants, but I'm just literally going to cheer practice. So I just threw something on. Don't look at it. Yeah, it's just a mess in here. And then I'm just gonna carry this bag. Something real chill. But I'm getting ready to go to cheer practice, and then after that, I didn't feel like doing my hair, so I had on. And I didn't have to clock in. I didn't have like to work with my kids today because they're out because of COVID. I know I sound sick because I really am. Like, I think I got a cold. I couldn't even sleep how I wanted to sleep for real because like every time I would breathe, it would tickle my throat, and then I would be coughing. So that's why I sound like this, because my throat was just real raw or whatever. But I didn't have to clock in for my kids because they're out, so I'm clocking in for cheer. So yeah, we're gonna have like a 2-hour practice. It's like 12 something right now. I haven't practiced early because they got out early. So yeah, I'm vlogging on my new phone. It looks so good. It's like a cinematic filter on here, so I'm gonna vlog in the car so then I could see it. I really don't know. Like, I love that it's clear, but this face, maybe I'm just gonna rough today. So yeah, anyways, I gotta run a few errands later too, so then I might take y'all with me. The girls are planking. I ain't crying by doing a little 30-second plank. Like, come on now.
Lily, stay down.
Ooh, somebody cheating? Who's that? Holly? They scratching their butt. They sick. Hey y'all, it's me from the future, and obviously I'm still sick, so I just wanted to come here and apologize for not closing out this video, but you know, extend a little grace to your girl since I'm still not feeling better, y'all, and it's been like 2 weeks. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. I do have a few more vlogs coming, and I know that I failed Vlogmas, but I'm still giving y'all content, so that's all that matters, you know? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.